Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making black-eyed peas. You will need a 1-pound bag of black-eyed peas, 2 smoked turkey necks, 6 slices of bacon, 6 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of onion, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure you have soaked your black-eyed peas in water overnight or for at least 6 hours. Using medium heat, bring your Dutch oven to temperature, then add your bacon. Allow your bacon to cook for 4 minutes. Now add the onions and continue to saute for an additional 2 minutes or until your onions are just translucent. Add the black-eyed peas, then pour in your chicken broth and water. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at SoulFoodCooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Now season with the onion powder, salt, and pepper. Add the turkey necks, then bring your liquid to a boil. Cover and allow them to cook for 1.5 hours or until your peas have reached your desired tenderness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft.